scandal bag.
Yes, like we right now, if we open we covered, it's full of scandal bags.
I don't even know when we're gonna use all the scandal bags because we still use the big garbage
and we're not throw away none.
So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
You know we're here for a good time.
Alright. Sure.
Today we have a special video for you guys today, and the video we have for you is
Things you find in a Jamaican's house.
you don't know. Like this basically is a tribute to my mother, you know? Really, like
Everything she had in her house.
in my mother's house she have everything. Everything. I mean like
For
everything.
real.
She has everything. Smash the like button, comment down below, notification gang, notification squad, comment down below if you say notification, zoom, notification, bling, notification, boardwalk, notification, notification.
That was lame. Notification boardwalk.
What?
That's the lamest
I was thinking
one.
about Monopoly a while ago, so I just said boardwalk.
Oh my
That
god.
chat.
Alright.
Alright, if you want to be a part of the family, just go ahead and subscribe. And we're gonna get straight into the video.
So the first thing you find in a Jamaican's household is Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yes, Scotch bonnet pepper is a must, people.
You cannot cook without.
Scotch bonnet pepper. Like when you go in a Jamaican's house, you can smell the Scotch bonnet. You can smell the cooking from outside with the Scotch bonnet. But people want to tell you something. You see the Scotch bonnet over here?
Why are you whispering?
It don't have the same flavor in a Jamaica.
Yeah, it really don't have this.
It just shaky.
I think we should make a tree.
We should burn out all of them Scotch bonnet when they must sell in the supermarket.
And then
Why about them?
where you gonna get it?
Eh?
Where you gonna get it?
Well, I have to go grow some.
Okay, the second thing you find is rum. Any kind of rum, you find it in a Jamaican.
And you know what rum is a must have in the Jamaican home is white rum.
Yep.
Rain nephew. Oh my god. You so you're sick? You so you're sick?
That's white rum, lime, honey.
Yeah,
You just take one shot.
One shot of that, and the mom make you smell it. Oh god, it smells strong, you know. I don't know how people drink that, you know. I drink red rum, guys.
Next thing you find in a Jamaican's house is condensed milk.
Oh god.
You put condensed milk in tea. You put it in coffee. You put it in
Milo, guys. You know, like the condensed milk in the Milo. Oh god.
And that brings us to the next one, Milo.
Milo, yeah, like oh my god.
You always have to have Milo.
Yeah, even when you have like kids or children around you, you have to have Milo. Like that. How you drink your Milo?
Cold.
Cold. I like it, alright, because you know I can't drink things cold in the morning, so what I do, I have a hot Milo, and then when I'm going to bed, I get a cold
I
Milo.
think cold is the best, and you just use the spoon and you eat it.
So you have the nice cold ice money too. Oh god, because you know you hot down in Jamaica, I don't want to go to
Alright, you sound like you want some Milo.
Yeah, I really do want some Milo.
Next is tea. Mint tea specifically, but really any kind of tea.
Yeah, like yo, tea.
Cersei tea.
This goes back to the video we said recently. My mother has a full cupboard of tea, like any type of tea. Black tea, mint tea, green tea. If you want to lose weight, tea in there.
Oh,
if you want to
ballerina tea.
Oh, ballerina tea. If you want to wash out, that she has that tea.
Ballerina, we have that tea too.
Yeah, so basically if you want to lose like 30 pounds overnight, I exaggerate.
Don't lie.
That type of tea should happen in the cupboard.
Okay, next thing is Vicks.
Oh god, this goes back to when you're sick. Oh my god, you see these three things? When it comes to tea, it comes to the rum, and then when it comes to the Vicks. The Vicks, oh my god, them are the three remedies to get yourself out of sickness.
Vicks, for real.
Yeah man, your mother.
Smell of Vicks.
The one thing about your mother, you know, when them say, yo, just go rub some Vicks. Anything, you know, go rub some Vicks. Danielle loves the smell of Vicks.
I love Vicks.
I don't really like Vicks smell.
Okay, on to the next one, a Bible. You always find a Bible in a Jamaican's house.
Yeah, currently we have 3 Bibles in here right now. We have one on our bedside.
With him.
Huh?
Chad always talking about dopey.
Yeah, no, cause you know what? Why Jamaicans have? I don't know. To me, I feel like it's because evil spirits will come in your house and you just want to go so. Go the other door. Go the other door. Now, basically, that's why I feel like that's good to have too.
Because it's blessings.
Blessings, yeah. Because sometimes we get afraid when we see the page. You ever find that? Like the page start move by itself?
That's when wind, babe.
That's not just wind, it's a sign.
Oh
when the wind
God.
blow upon it, you must read the Bible scripture.
Oh my God. Anyways, next thing you find is a cutlass, machete, whichever you call it, but it's always in a Jamaican household.
Yo, you know what's funny? Like, we had like, back in Jamaica, we had like 6 cutlass. I'm gonna tell us them dip on them last enough. Like, you know how the blade is like full out like this? You probably down to like this, and it still use it.
I used to have it under my bed.
I don't know what Jamaicans are so creative because they really use the same cutlass like that and cut grass. Me don't know how them do it. Me don't know how them do it.
For real. The next one is jerk seasoning. How can you have a house without jerk seasoning?
Like, jerk season is a must. Even having curry seasoning is a must have in a house if you're Jamaican.
Oh God, we've been eating so much curry.
Yeah.
I can't stand the smell of curry.
Yeah, the curry. We've been eating a lot of curry lately, like
Thanks
a lot.
to Chad, because Chad loves curry.
Curry sweet.
Next thing is you'll always find figurines.
Figurines in a house.
To decorate the place.
You see if you broke a figurine in your mother's house?
That's it.
Oh,
That's it.
God.
Next, a Dutch pot. How
Dutch
can you cook without a Dutch pot?
I don't even know how people do that. I don't even know. They need a Dutch pot. A Dutch pot is a must-have in a household.
You have to. The taste that the Dutch pot gives.
Yeah, that. I mean, no, it just give that crispy taste, bro.
Crispy. And then a pressure cooker. You need a pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Or else you're gonna be cooking for hours.
You spend Sunday dinner go on?
You just start Sunday dinner from 7 o'clock till 10 o'clock if you don't have.
You spend Sunday dinner go on, and 9 o'clock in the morning you hear the pressure cooker go off. You know your mother a cook. You know she.
And it's something good too.
Yeah. It a pressure the peas or it a pressure the beef, it a pressure something. You know the food that got shot.
Next, Chad's favorite, bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese is a must, guys. Even round bun. Oh, guys, you guys must love round bun.
Please send
you love
some round bun for Chad because he love round bun.
You see when we wake up in the morning, that's the first thing I want to have. I don't want no cheese, I can't eat the round bun.
Just dry.
Dry round bun. But you see, when it's fresh, the round bun are the shottest thing.
Anyways, the next one is Excelsior crackers.
Oh God, Excelsior crackers is a must to have in a Jamaican household. Like,
3 crackers and some tea.
You're hungry? Just put some little butter on it.
You don't even need the butter.
You don't even need the butter, but you know, the butter make it look more flavory. So when you're drinking your tea, you heat the crackers, it doesn't melting.
What?
We call that the melting crackers.
Oh my God. And last but not least, a bag full of scandal bags.
Yes, like right now we covered, it's full of scandal bags.
I don't even know when we're gonna use all the scandal bags because we still use the big garbage
and
bags.
we not throw away none. You can't, in a Jamaican household, you can't throw away none, you know. Cause them going to give you a story and say, oh my God, you can do something with it. When we have pack up some clothes, we can't use that.
No, don't lie. Okay guys, comment down below some things that you have in your Jamaican household.
Yes.
Or you know a Jamaican has in their household.
Or even Caribbean.
Any Caribbean.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, smash the comment button, smash the subscribe button, smash it. Smash the comment button with what you want to comment right now. Smash it. You know, smash it yet. Now it's time for notification shout out time.
First notification shout out goes to RD.
RD, big up your damn self. Notification shout out goes right here.
Next notification shout out goes to Alexi Templeton.
Alexis Templeton, big up your damn self. You're going right here.
And last but not least, Forever One Love 14.
For everyone, big up your damn self. You're going right here, right over Danielle. If you want to be a part of notifications, shout out team, you gotta go hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, comment down below, notification gang, notification zoom, notification room, notification bloom,
Oh my
notification
God,
notification notifications. So go look at
Important people don't even know what to comment below now. Alright, done.
I want to go ahead and subscribe on here, guys. We love you guys so much, guys, and we appreciate you so much, and we want to say thank you so much. Remember, notifications soon, and we are
out.
So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.